LIEBHERR straddle carrier. This is a highly versatile and reliable piece of equipment used in ports, terminals, and logistics hubs for container handling. This machine can lift and transport up to 50 tons of ISO standard containers with ease. It has a reach of up to 15 meters in height, 10 meters in width, and 20 meters in length, with a top speed of 30 kilometers per hour, capable of stacking containers 3 levels high. It handles both 20-foot and 40-foot containers. The carrier rides on 4 heavy-duty rubber tires, providing excellent traction and stability across various surfaces. The hydraulic lifting system allows precise adjustments, making it easy to accommodate containers of different sizes. SLEPERSBYTARE is a specialized machine designed to replace railroad ties, also known as sleepers. These ties are essential for supporting the rail tracks and maintaining the overall stability of the railroad system. This machine efficiently installs new ties by cutting through the underlying rock, removing the old tie, and positioning the new one securely in place. The RBS is invaluable for ensuring safe and reliable railway operations by streamlining the sleeper replacement process. Road headers are powerful machines used for mining, tunneling, and other civil engineering tasks. They feature a rotating cutting head designed to cut through rock and soil, while a conveyor system removes the debris simultaneously. The machine can rotate in both directions, with cutting discs adjustable for different types of rock and soil, ranging from 20 to 100 tons in weight. Smaller road headers can remove up to 10 cubic meters of material per hour, while larger models can handle up to 60 cubic meters. Powered by electric or diesel engines, these machines are vital for underground excavation and debris transportation. Is a powerful tool used at construction sites for excavation, featuring dual spinning heads designed to grind and mix muddy soil for easy removal. It prepares the ground for installing piping, foundations, or other structures. After excavation, an I-beam is lowered into the hole to provide support for the future structure, ensuring stability and strength. This method is crucial in maintaining the integrity of buildings and infrastructure during construction. The SENNEBOGEN 825E is a versatile material handler produced by the German company GmbH, known for its expertise in manufacturing heavy equipment. It's used in a range of tasks like waste handling, port operations, and forestry. Standing about 13.5 feet tall and 9.8 feet wide, this machine moves at speeds between 2.5 to 4 kilometers per hour and can lift and lower loads at 1.2 meters per second. Powered by a 164 kilowatts, 220 horsepower diesel engine, it weighs 27,600 kilograms, 60,800 pounds, and features a 5-tine grapple attachment with a maximum reach of 16.7 meters. It's capable of lifting up to 15 metric tons at a reach of 9 meters. Designed for heavy-duty environments, it boasts a high-performance cooling system and a hydraulic system with a flow rate of up to 380 liters per minute. The chip spreader by VIMPO is a cutting-edge machine used in road construction and maintenance to spread aggregate materials like crushed stone or gravel chips efficiently. This machine plays a key role in extending the life of roads by improving their durability and skid resistance. It features a hopper that holds the material, which is distributed evenly across the road using a conveyor system. Adjustable spreader gates allow for precise control of the width and thickness of the spread, ensuring consistent coverage while minimizing waste. This optimizes the chip sealing process, making it more effective and efficient. The ROADPRINTER is an innovative road construction machine that uses 3D printing technology to pave roads faster and more efficiently. By laying down road surfaces layer by layer with a mix of recycled materials and asphalt, it reduces construction time and costs. It also features a self-leveling system that ensures a smooth, even surface. The machine can adjust to the required width and thickness of the road and can even print road markings and symbols directly onto the surface, eliminating the need for extra painting. This revolutionary technology has the potential to transform the way roads are built. Rail shear from COLMAR is a powerful hydraulic machine used in the railway industry for cutting railroad tracks. This device uses hydraulic power to apply a strong shear force that efficiently cuts through the thick steel of railway tracks. It's essential for tasks like track replacement, repairs, and expansion projects. Designed to handle the substantial strength and thickness of rails, the rail shear ensures precise cuts, making it a vital tool for railway maintenance and construction operations. The WATERMASTER is an amphibious dredging machine made by the Finnish company WATERMASTER Limited, designed to operate in wetlands and shallow waters. It can function both on land and in water, dredging to depths of up to 6 meters, with a pumping capacity of up to 1,200 cubic meters per hour. This versatile machine can be fitted with various attachments, depending on the task, and is equipped with an advanced control system for accurate maneuvering. With a weather-resistant cabin and dimensions of about 10 meters in length and 5 meters in width, it weighs around 16,000 kilograms, making it ideal for environmental and water management projects. Developed by BP Metal Mechanica, the Solar Cleaner C4000 is an advanced machine designed to clean solar panels efficiently. Equipped with telescopic booms and specialized brushes, it offers wet, dry, or combined cleaning options. It's ideal for cleaning panels up to 6.5 meters high, while the F3500 model is better suited for panels up to 4.5 meters. These machines feature large water tanks, high-capacity pumps, and built-in sensors that ensure the cleaner maintains a safe distance from the panel surfaces. By keeping solar panels spotless, the solar cleaner helps maximize energy production and ensure their long-term efficiency. This machine, designed to efficiently mix and aerate organic materials during the composting process. Manufactured by VERMEER Corporation, a US-based company known for producing innovative and reliable equipment, this compost turner comes in various models, with capacities ranging from 480 to 5,400 cubic feet per hour. Powered by either diesel or electric engines, it offers flexibility for different operational needs. Typically, the machine measures between 30 to 50 feet in length, 11 to 13 feet in height, and 10 to 14 feet in width. It uses a rotating drum and hydraulic lift to mix and aerate compost, all while being easy to control with its user-friendly system for simple adjustments and monitoring. The PNH 4100C Boss is a heavy-duty self-propelled excavator built for large-scale mining operations. It's equipped with a massive 100-ton bucket, enabling it to fill a 300-ton truck in just 4 minutes, making it extremely efficient for moving large volumes of material quickly. This machine is also designed to operate in harsh conditions, including freezing temperatures, ensuring reliability no matter the environment. Standing at an impressive 14.7 meters tall, it offers elevated excavation capabilities, making it a powerful and versatile choice for mining applications. A specialized digging equipment designed to create trenches in both land and open sea environments. Powered by a 74-horsepower turbocharged diesel engine, this trencher can dig trenches up to 60 inches deep and 12 inches wide. It features a variable chain speed of up to 200 feet per minute, a 12-inch ground clearance, and weighs around 6,000 pounds. The trencher's hydraulic system can generate up to 3,500 psi, and it is equipped with tough cutting teeth that can handle hard soil and rock. Its versatile design makes it ideal for use in construction, agriculture, utility installations, and offshore projects. The Jet's Edge water cutting machine showcases impressive rock and metal cutting abilities using high-pressure water jets. Operating at around 60,900 pascals, the water jet can cut through materials like metal and stone with ease. For tougher materials, additional abrasives can be mixed with the water to enhance its cutting power. This technology has revolutionized the jewelry manufacturing industry by automating the precise faceting of precious stones, significantly boosting productivity. These machines offer various power and configuration options to suit different cutting needs, replacing the need for manual labor. German-engineered slag carrier, built for strength and reliability. Its primary function is to transport slag from smelting areas to landfills, optimizing the process while ensuring safe traction and movement. Powered by a 360 horsepower engine, this carrier can handle up to 120 tons or 25 cubic meters of slag, even across rough terrain. The machine's flexible steering and safety features make it highly adaptable, especially when transporting molten slag, which can reach temperatures as high as 1,600 degrees Celsius. After cooling, the slag is crushed and processed for industrial reuse. The BURAN snow plow is a heavy-duty, efficient machine designed for clearing snow from roads and large areas. Built with durability in mind, it features advanced control systems and offers multiple attachment options for various snow removal tasks. Equipped with a wide snow plow blade and robust hydraulic systems, it effectively handles even the heaviest snow loads. Operator comfort and safety are top priorities, thanks to its ergonomic cabin and built-in safety features. It's an ideal choice for municipalities and snow removal professionals dealing with tough winter conditions. Manufactured in Switzerland, the ZAUGG ROLBA 500 is a powerful snow blower capable of clearing large volumes of snow from roads and sidewalks. Powered by a 286 horsepower, 6-cylinder diesel engine, this machine boasts a blower width of 92 inches and a height of 49 inches. The snow blower can throw snow up to 230 feet and clear up to 10,764 cubic feet of snow per hour. It features a joystick control system and 4-wheel drive chassis for maximum maneuverability, plus safety features like an emergency stop button and a reversing camera. It's an efficient and reliable option for heavy-duty snow removal. Introducing the XCMG XLZ230000, a compact and highly efficient road recycler from China. This road recycler is built for road repair tasks with a length of 9.3 meters, 30 feet, and weighing 34 tons. With a 320-gallon, 1,200-liter fuel tank, it ensures extended work without the need for frequent refueling. It operates at a speed of 2.4 kilometers per hour, 1.5 miles per hour, and efficiently mills the top layer of the road surface, preparing it for resurfacing. It also features an intelligent sprinkler system that allows for precise road surface spraying, while its cutting bits ensure high-capacity milling, removing the desired road layer with ease. The ALMA antenna transporter is a specialized vehicle designed to transport large, delicate antennas used in radio astronomy. Measuring 22 meters long, 10 meters wide, and 6 meters high, this transporter ensures stability and maneuverability with its 28 wheels. Powered by two V12 diesel engines, it is controlled by a joystick system and can reach a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour, while operating at altitudes of up to 5,000 meters. It comes with several safety features, including an emergency stop button, fire suppression system, and backup power systems, making it a secure and dependable option for moving valuable scientific equipment. From the renowned Japanese manufacturer OKADA America, offers versatile and durable crushers for demolition projects. These crushers, made from a special casting alloy, are both lightweight and powerful, allowing for the easy demolition of concrete structures. The wedge arm design expands the crushing area, enhancing efficiency, while the robust construction ensures long-term durability. With its reliable design and powerful capabilities, the TSWB series is an excellent solution for a wide range of demolition tasks, contributing to the success of projects requiring precision and strength.